Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I want to talk about matte black AirPods. Now, ever since Apple announced the AirPods, what people have been wanting, what customers have been wanting is either color or the matte black finish on their AirPods. Now, there's companies that you can send your AirPods to where they change the color and send them back to you for a fee, but I thought, why not take it upon myself to do this in a more affordable with less than $12, which is what I used here with plastic dip. Now, if you're unfamiliar with plastic dip, this is used in the automotive industry as well to customize and change the color of things. But the great thing about plastic dip is that it can be removed. So if you mess up, you can peel it off and start all over again, which I'll show you here at the end of the video. But I started experimenting with the earbuds, Apple's headphones right here that come with the cable, lightning cable. Now there's a few things that you want to consider if you ever try doing something like this. I do not recommend doing it because you lose a few features, but we'll get to those here in a few seconds. But here is a matte black, all finished, plastic dipped earbud. Let's go ahead and take a look on how I accomplished this matte black look for under 12 bucks on my AirPods. So the first thing I did was, of course, clean the AirPods beforehand. So now when I take them out of the AirPod case, they're ready for painting. And then what I did was I placed them on this base here with a double-sided tape. Now the double-sided tape, of course, is to stick the AirPods on there so they can stand while I paint them. And of course, to not paint the metal bracket on the bottom of the AirPods as well as I apply the plastic dip. Now, first and second coat, I did a very light coat. 15 minutes in between coats is what I did. Make sure it dries quickly, it's in a warm environment, and you're spraying the plastic dip from about 8 to 12 inches away. You don't want to get too close, and you don't want to cover them with the first coat. The first coat, you can still see the white from the AirPods. Don't worry, it's going to take about 3, maybe 4, in some cases even 5 coats in order to get them to the proper matte black finish. So by the third coat here, you see that I started applying more and more plastic dip. I went on the underside of the AirPods as well. Of course, you want to make sure you grab the entire surface of the AirPod, and I was spraying again about 8 inches, maybe a foot away. Fourth coat, I went a little heavier, a little closer as well, about 6 to 7 inches away from the actual AirPods. And I went ahead again, 15 minutes in between each coat is what I did. I made sure it was very dry between coats because you don't want to spray on top of wet plastic dip, more plastic dip. It's just going to turn into a mess. Here is the final results. As you see here, it is a matte finish plastic dip AirPod. Now, the great thing, as I mentioned about the plastic dip here, is that it comes in various colors: white, black, blue, yellow, red, you name it. The color is available for plastic dip. And if you take a look here, I can start scraping this earbud here, and you'll see that it comes right off. So this is not paint, this is the actual plastic, and you can peel it off later whenever you wish, so it doesn't affect anything in regards to the actual AirPod. Now, in terms of the grills, you can put a little bit of tape inside of the grills for the speaker, but I'm personally going to use this right here, this toothpick here, to kind of just scrape the grill a little bit to remove the actual plastic dip from there, but it doesn't affect the audio. It's so fine that it doesn't really affect the audio or covers the actual grill. So I'm going to finish this job by cleaning the grill out. Now, there's a few features that you do lose, like the tap on the sides here of the AirPods to pause and play, but I usually do that on my Apple Watch when I'm listening to music, and the feature where you put the AirPod in your ear, and then once you put it in your ear, it doesn't detect that it's in your ear because the sensors are actually covered. You see the bottom here of the AirPod, I still have that metal showing, so it looks pretty good, and that is what the AirPod looks like. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Let me know what you think about this process. If you do try it, what color would you try this on? Thank you so much for watching today's video, guys, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.